Good morning, ladies and gents. It is Thursday, April 2nd, and this is Mrs. Carr. I'm here to do your rundown for math. Already making mistakes, good Lord. Here to do your rundown for math today. So a couple of things. Please don't forget, if you're looking specifically for my two classes, don't forget we have our conference today at 2. I hope to see everybody there. As always, make sure you're keeping your work all together in a single place whenever you're done today. Make sure you get it in that folder along with all of the stuff that you've done previously. And again, please make sure that you are responding to anything that has a discussion. If it asks you to put in a response, please make sure you are doing so. Responses need to be sentences. They shouldn't be one-word answers. Also, if you would like to record your voice with your response, you can do that as well. Just hit the little microphone button when you go to type in your answer. So instead of typing, you would hit the microphone button. But please make sure you are responding and make sure it's topic related, guys, responding and answering all of the questions that it's asking. All right, guys, so we're going to get out of here for today. Today we are doing oh yes, we're doing our geo project, because remember we only did, just joking, wrong link. That was the directions. I need you to go to the district provided curriculum. My bad, guys. And then you're going to hit that square and arrow where it pops out. And you can see any new notices that are happening this week. But remember, you're clicking the Corville at Home Learning. And then we're going to go down to 5th. And I saw a note from Miss Mason today in the email saying that she, so hey, by the way, guys, you should check your emails. Okay, check your emails. If you don't know how to get to your email, go through your dashboard. Check your school emails. If you don't know how to go to your email, then go through your school dashboard. But anyways, she sent out a note, and I'm sure you probably got the same note saying that she's got some stuff for you guys, as well as the coaches, and they're going to start Zoom conferences. So again, make sure you're checking your emails, and then also check this tab for specials. All right. So here we go. So let's take a look at this project that we didn't do yesterday. We're doing it today, if you'll recall. And we are on lesson 3. So we're going to scroll down. That's 1. There's 2. And wait, did I go too far? Yep, there's 3. And if you recall, we took out this project from yesterday, and we're simply doing this project right here, GeoTown. So let's open it up and see what those directions are. You are creating a town using principles of geometry. So let's see. Here are all your requirements. So you need to make sure that you have 2 sets of streets that are parallel, 2 sets of streets that are perpendicular, and on and on and on. Obtuse angle, acute angle, trapezoids, all of this stuff. So you need to make sure that you are including all 13 requirements. All 13 requirements in your picture. You can scroll down. You'll be able to see some different examples. Make sure you look at those a little closer. Make sure you look at those a little closer as you, excuse me, as you go. But anyways, 13 requirements. And then this is, you're going to be, well, you won't be graded, but you will, the rubric is based on these requirements here. So make sure you take a look at these examples a little bit closer. If you are not sure what any of these things are, like your irregular polygon or your triangle or rhombus, parallelogram, trapezoid, I've been having to tell Bryson quite a bit lately, you are actually sitting in front of Google if you're busy looking at this and hearing my voice. So that means you can just go over here and pop up in a note tab and type in irregular polygon. Or if you are not sure if you don't remember what parallel is, again, you can go right over here, open up a new tab, and type in parallel, okay, just to help remind you of what those are. But also don't forget, you have your quadrilateral on this tab here. You have your quadrilateral here, and that tells you that graphic organizer to remind you what a polygon is, by the way, what non-polygons are, especially remember those are anything that has a curve or is open, or curvy and open, by the way. And then your different types of polygons, all of these that are 3, 4, any side as long as it's not curved or closed, open. So you have your triangles over here, and then all your different types of quadrilaterals. If you need to use that to help jog your memory, same thing with the triangle graphic organizer. You have this to pop open to help jog your memory as you go through and make yours. So I do encourage you to take a look at these examples so that you can get a better idea of what you want your town to look like. Make sure you're not copying the examples though, okay? The other thing is yes, you need to make it neat. Yes, it needs to be in color. Obviously, if you don't have any crayons or markers at home, we do understand that, but you do need to make your best effort to make it look good. Okay, we understand about the supplies. We totally get that. But if you have it, use it. If you have it, use it, guys. Okay. And you can do it on whatever paper you have. If you have construction paper, obviously that would be fantastic. But again, we understand if you don't have construction paper, that's completely understandable. Okay. So you do it on some clean printer paper, clean notebook paper, whatever it is that you have at home that you can do it on, then that's where you'll do it, okay? Please just make the effort. I understand that we all understand that everybody has a different circumstance going on at home, but please make the effort. All right, this is going to be a 2-day project, so you might want to make sure you understand, like for example today, you might want to make sure that you understand what all of these different things are, and then do your sketch, and then maybe tomorrow you can color it in and make it look real good, okay, and add your details to it. It's up to you how you want to tackle it, but you do have 2 days to do it. When you are done with your project, you're going to come back over here into your Schoology slide, go back into Thursday, and you should see a discussion board typed GeoTown project. Okay, and so what you're going to do is you're going to click in the write a comment, but you're not going to type anything. I want you to click on this microphone button, and you have the choice to do audio or audio and video. I want you to choose audio and video so that we can actually see your project. And I want you to take a video of your project and you explaining your town. Okay, again, you're going to record yourself explaining your GeoTown project, and then of course you would click, once you do that, then you would click post. Okay, again, once you finish your project from over here, you're going to click back on this Schoology tab, click back on Thursday, click back on the discussion board that says GeoTown project, and you're going to post a video recording of your GeoTown project here. So click in the box, and then instead of typing, you're going to click the little microphone button. And this is what it's going to look like when it pops up. Okay, and then you'll click that. And I can't do that because I'm currently recording this video right now. But this is the box that you will click. Okay, guys? And that's how we'll get to see your projects. Okay? And then that's it for today for math. Once you are finished with that, as usual, make sure you go back to this page, this tab. Yes, you should still have that tab open. Go back to that page. You can pop out these excellent resources here. Okay, and if you need more help for today's activities for math, then you're going to click the I need a help page on Schoology. And if you're like doing fantastic and you want more, then you're going to click the give me more page in Schoology. So for example, in mine, that is going to be here at the bottom, the I need help page and the give me more page, and it'll give you exactly where you need to go to get a little bit more practice. All right, guys, I hope you do good. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you click this little envelope button to message us, and we will get back with you right away. I hope to see everybody in my conference today at 2. Otherwise, y'all have a good day. See you tomorrow.